So, good morning. Let's just go and have a nose at these charts just to see what is happening today. So, as usual, cleared off of my alarms from yesterday before I get on the charts, and then come and have a little look. Not cleared off what I was trading yesterday, so let's get rid of that. Right, so when we get to the charts, first thing we check is this. Yeah, so we've got a couple of time frames out. You can see why that price action is running pretty much straight through the middle. So we're waiting for this one to move at the moment. Now, this is consolidation. I think everybody who's within, not everybody, it's not over exaggeration, but is a little bit of confusion at the moment over something that we just use a loose term of box trading, right? It's not a new strategy. It's not something new that's going to get you wonderful results. It's actually something that's been taught from day one with this about trading consolidation. And this is consolidation. You can see the price action started roping, yeah? Ranging, whatever you want to call it. And it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. Now, if you're trying to enter trades in here, if you're going for breaches and crosses, look, you're going to get caught out because it's going into consolidation. So what we used to do is we used to grab a horizontal line because we'd be looking to go bearish on this, put it underneath the last points of the lowest bit of price action in local traffic, set an alarm on that, and then when price action breaks it, you'd be able to come back to the chart and have a look, right? So this isn't something new, guys. It's not like a newfangled style of trading with when we're talking about boxes. All it means is this tool over here is a box, and we've always used these. And what they've done with this tool now is that they've given you the ability to set an alert on it for when price action exits that rectangle. So all that means is you can put this lovely little box around it. There's an old saying, Michael Martin, who was from the old academy I was with, he always taught us that if you can box it, don't trade it. That's what they used to say about consolidation. So basically, when you see anything like this, we put this box around it. So like I say, it's not a new trading strategy. It's actually part of this trading strategy, how not to get caught in consolidation. Put a box around it, which is easier now. Stick an alarm on it. When it comes out, you've got two options. So if it suddenly goes bullish, you've got the option of when it breaks and it touches this box and goes again. That one's called a break and retest. Or you've got an option of when the candle breaks, closes, you can take the entry on the candle close. All right, but we don't know whether we're going bullish or bearish on this one at the moment. Euro GBP, same sort of thing, look. So can you see this though? Can you see the angle of it all? It's coming up, look. Yeah, so this is saying to me it's coming up. From the look of it, it's going to be dropping again. It's got room down to here, and it maybe down to here to drop. So we're just looking at the moment the same sort of thing. This tool just makes it so easy. So I go from the highs down to, I don't know, let's go candle body lows on this one. Let's get a heads up on it, and we just set an alert. All I'm doing is exactly the same thing, exit in that rectangle. That's all we're doing. Just makes it so much easier. What are you up to? Don't you room to go up? What have we had on here? Breach, breach, cross, cross. Breach, cross. So for me on this one, I'm waiting for a pullback to the 21. So I'm just going to put when price crosses my medium EMA. You've got the other option as well if you have the inner edge indicator. So you'd want a touch of the slow EMA for that one. All right. Oh shit, I didn't want to do that. I'll take that off in a minute. GBP, JPY, as you can see, they're all doing something similar. So at the minute, I want you to notice that this is consolidation. It's not really nice, tight, constricted consolidation, but it's the same sort of thing. It says it's bullish. Can you see though, this Bollinger Band, the whole thing's been wandering down. It has been wandering down. It does look like it's starting to push up. So it's had a breach, it's had its cross, it's had its 21 touch. So for me, I am not interested in this because of my trading strategy. Oops. Until Actually, I'm going to use the inner edge one. Bear with me this morning, guys. I'm a little bit tired. Um, so I want a lower Bollinger Band hit on this one. So I want it to come down here and breach. If it goes without me, it goes without me, but I want it to come down here and breach a bit further before I trade that on. So what we're looking on here, all pretty similar this morning, aren't they? So this, again, can you see the consolidation? It's going sideways. Lots of this sort of stuff. And it has, if you have a look at it, it's sort of broken. It's not really ready to go yet. So we've had a breach, we've had a crossover. If you were entering this, if you like entering in trauma, that would have been your entry candle. Your stop would have probably been here somewhere. So what are we looking at now? Yeah, I just want this to break out of that as well. So I'm just going to use a smaller box on this because I just want to know when it moves out of this area. That's it. Nice and simple. And USD Chef, what are you doing? Already started moving. So even though that 1 hour's out, let's have a look. So if you got 1 hour out, just go and have a look on the 1 hour, see what that candle's doing. So it is a bearish candle. Look, you can see it's just coming down to that 248, so it's going to switch probably shortly. However, it's got a little bit of rejection to the downside. So play this one with caution. What has it done? So where would you be? Your initial breach would be up here, wouldn't it? Crossover. It's had no more breaches. So for me, this pair, I'm waiting for an actual. It's not an EMA breach. I'm waiting for a breach of my upper Bollinger Band. So I want it to pull back to here and then drop. So I'm looking for that one. Again, lovely examples of consolidation. Look, this is slightly wider consolidation. So same sort of thing. We're just going to go for, yeah, let's go for that one. And then let's go for these candle bodies. And you'd set an alert for price action. Same thing. Exiting the rectangle. So again, because it's wandering sideways, we're not wanting to get caught out because you've had a Bollinger Band breach, you've had a cross, but we're not wanting to get caught out in this area. So we want it to come above here. And then you either take it on the push, you've got some highs here, which would be a target. What else have we got? Got some slightly higher other highs here, higher highs. So you've got decent targets up here. So we're just, again, waiting for that to go when you get the choice. Candle out, candle close, take that, touch, off, away you go. Had chef. Mix up here, look, bearish and bullish. So if you're nosy, you can go and look at the 15 and go, where is that? It's quite a way away, look. What's the 30 do? Same sort of thing, quite a way away. So again, with that one, you've got a handy little tool on this inner edge. You can just go for MTF aligned ball. And if you've got enough alarms, you can go for MTF aligned bear. So you get one or the other. Just wait, bit of patience. We've already looked at AJ. CAD JPY doing the same thing. The Euro JPY, same thing. Look at all this consolidation. And all this means consolidation is good. We like it because price always moves out of it. It doesn't stay in it forever. USD JPY, same thing out of alignment. So set yourself up for that. What's GB Chef up to? Similar sort of thing, look. So you could just stick your nice little box around this again. See where that's going. What should I have an alert go off on odd CAD, didn't I, when we're doing this? So odd CAD, it's now showing, because this is out of whack, I wouldn't be trading this. It's just showing that it's gone out of the box that way. So I'm going to wait for this one to show its direction before we have a look at trading it. Just going to nosy on the 4 hour. The only reason I jumped to the 4 hour, it isn't to see if I'm going to be trading one of these 4 hour legs. It's literally to see, is this pair bullish or bearish at the moment? So it's been really bullish, hasn't it? Do you see it goes into these 4 hour ranges and then it goes bullish again, look. And then it's just starting to hit another one of these 4 hour ranges. So normally when they start tightening, they're going to go. So for me at the moment, it's a little bit, you can still trade these. It's just sort of, you've got a tighter trading option. How I like to look at these is I sort of set up and I go, well, that's a low point. This is a bit technical. I should be showing you this really. This is just like trading a 4 hour within a 4 hour range. So then when you drop back to your 5 minute, you can see this is the 4 hour range we've been trading in, look. So there's plenty of room to go down, but there's also plenty of room to go up, isn't there? So this is a 50-50 one. I'm just gonna wait and see with this. What I might do actually, I'm just gonna expand this box up a bit. I'm gonna keep it on those lows, but expand it up. It's still got this alarm on it. I just want to see if it's gonna break all this and these are gonna change and it's gonna start going bullish. All right, guys, so there you go. So it's a little bit of a morning meander. I apologise, my jumbledness this morning. I'm a little bit tired, but the sun is out, so now my alarms are set. I'm going to go and sit, have a lovely coffee in the sun, and look forward to my trading morning. Have a good one.